In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications that are coming from your Uber Eats app. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you've been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications and these notifications are not helpful or you no longer need them, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and stop them. To stop them, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and look for settings. And then from settings, you have to go ahead and look for the app information page. Once you get to settings, scroll down until you get to this section called apps and then tap on it. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this list, select the option called manage apps. It might be written more apps or all apps depending on your smartphone. From here, look for your Uber Eats app. And as you can see, my Uber Eats app is here. If you can't locate it, you can also use the search option here to search for any app that you have on your smartphone. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. Alternatively, if you can't locate this page or if it is too complex, then just go ahead and let me show you a shortcut method. Just go back and look for your app, and here's my app, and then go ahead and long press on it. From here, go ahead and tap on this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same page, app info page. Now from here, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions, scroll down until you find this option called notifications. Currently you can see it is turned to yes, and if I tap on it, you can see all these type of notifications are on. To turn them off, instead of turning one by one, just go ahead and use this option show notification, then toggle it off to turn off all the other types of notifications. Now at this point, you'll never again receive any pop-up notification from Uber app. So if you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.